pinga.
¡Corre para atrás, papi! ¿Viste? Te lo estoy diciendo, Dios mío.
Ay, pinga.
¡Ay, Dios mío!
Pero qué pinga es. Vamos a ver.
Papi, cuidado.
Espérate.
¡Ay, Dios mío, señor!
Pinga ser. ¿Qué pinga ser? Cojones.
Mira la cantidad de gente cogiendo candela, papi.
No es pinga. Cojones.
At least 13 people were killed and more than a dozen others injured after a UPS plane crashed shortly after takeoff near the Louisville International Airport on Tuesday. The death toll rose several times Wednesday. UPS plane crashes near Louisville Airport, killing at least 13. Black boxes recovered. Louisville Mayor Craig Greenberg warning the number was expected to increase as several people remain unaccounted for. At least 9 people were believed to be missing as of Thursday morning.